In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Google Antigravity to the latest LLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check for updates, streamline your setup, and complete a clean restart so the newest language model is ready to go. Before we start, a quick tip. Save any open work and make sure you have a stable internet connection since updates can briefly pause features while they install. First, open Google Antigravity. You can launch it the same way you normally do, either from your desktop or in your browser. Give it a moment to fully load so the top menu is visible and interactive. If the interface looks different than usual, that's fine. Just wait for the main dashboard or home screen to finish rendering before moving on. Next, head to the Help menu at the top. It usually sits in the main toolbar and may appear as the word Help or as a small question mark icon. Opening this menu gives you access to system tools and diagnostics that are specifically designed for maintenance and updates, so this is the fastest path to getting the latest LLM. In the Help menu, choose Check for Updates. This tells Antigravity to look for the newest language model and any related components. When you run this check, the app will validate compatibility and gather whatever it needs in the background. If it finds something new, you may see a short progress indicator. Let it complete. Avoiding clicks elsewhere can help prevent the process from pausing. While you're here, turn off unused MCP tools. MCP tools are optional modules that can extend functionality, but if you're not actively using them, disabling the ones you don't need can reduce conflicts and speed up the update process. Only switch off tools you recognize as unnecessary for your current work. You can always re-enable them later. Now, wait for it to load. This means giving Antigravity enough time to apply the update and settle. You might notice a spinner, status bar, or a brief pause. This is normal. Keep the window open and avoid putting your device to sleep until everything finishes. Finally, close Antigravity and open it again. A full restart ensures the latest LLM initializes properly and all dependencies are refreshed. When the app comes back up, you should notice normal performance and, in many cases, smoother responses powered by the updated model. If anything seems slow right after launch, give it a moment. Background indexing can occur on first start. That's it. You've opened Antigravity, used Help to check for updates, disabled unused MCP tools, waited for the process to complete, and performed a clean restart. You're now set up with the latest LLM.